What's up, folks? Joey Image here with an unboxing for you really quickly. And excuse the mess in this room. I am actually in the process of cleaning this out, moving some stuff around. And within the next couple of months, I am building a brand new streaming slash podcasting slash YouTube slash Twitch, whatever studio in my house. We have a basement apartment with a one bedroom, so I'm taking over that bedroom to put together a studio. So look out for that eventually. But yeah, for now, just disregard the mess. Um, so this is an item that I pre-ordered in May. It is now June 13th, Tuesday, June 13th. It is launch day for the brand new ROG Ally. Here we go. The packaging looks really cool, actually. There's a picture of it on the front, or there's a graphic of it, I should say, on the front. There's an actual picture of it in the back right there. This is the higher model, the I don't know what the hell they call it, the top model, 512 gig, PCIe G4 SSD. The CPU is the AMD Z1 Extreme, which I believe was made just for this. 16 gigs DDR5, Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.2C, Windows 11 Home. Anyway, all the boring stuff out of the way. Let's open this bad boy. I'm not going to do a full setup and, you know, review reaction video right now. Just going to strictly unbox it. I will mess with this over the next few days, week or so. And then I will come back maybe in a week with another video, with a reactions video, which I have said that many times in other devices and I've never done it. I always forget. But if someone reminds me, I will do it this time, I promise. I assume I'm going to be comparing this to my Steam Deck. I almost said stream. To my Steam Deck, which is sitting right over there. I definitely am going to try to use the same dock. Because from what I understand, wow. Wow, here we go. Look at that. Beautiful. I already like it. I'm a big Asus guy. As anyone that watches my channel probably knows. I've got a lot of Asus stuff from my keyboard sitting right here. My motherboard. I mean, I even bought a LAN cable just because it's Asus ROG. Clearly, it's still in the box. I haven't used it. I got this 3-4 months ago. But I'm a big Asus guy. I always have been. Here we go. Let's actually put that aside for a second. See what else we've got in here. There's stuff in here, but okay. Oh, this is just the paperwork. Warranty form. Congratulations on your Asus product purchase. Congratulations on giving us a bunch of money. Here's the thing, same thing, but in Russian. Here is the first edition, February 2023, which is weird. What is this, ROG magazine? This is just the basically diagram of everything, buttons and all that stuff, what everything does. You get the idea. It's just odd that it says first edition, February 2023 on the top. Not even sure if you can see that. I don't know. First edition of what? This manual? Why would it say February? Couldn't they at least put the release month on there? Do they not know it was coming out in July? Or whatever this is? What is this, June? I just said it a little while ago, too. Yeah, it's June. Alright. One more box. Oh, here's our power brick. USB-C to this thick boy. That's a thick boy right there. You can see the ROG logo. Whoops. There you go, right on the power brick. Pretty sweet. That's it for toys in the box, right? Yep, that's it. Yeah, nothing else in the box but the paperwork and the power brick. Alright, and I'm going to, actually this is USB-C. I'm going to try to use the same one for my Steam Deck that's already plugged into the wall with the Steam Deck. I'm actually going to try the Steam Deck dock that I have, which is sitting over there right now. I don't see why it wouldn't fit. It's USB-C. Oh, okay, well USB-C is not on the top. Where the hell's the USB-C charging port? I don't know. Let me take the plastic off. Always the most satisfying part. There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay, the USB-C charging port is on top. Right there. That tiny little slot right there. I'm going to have to get a screen protector for this guy. So here we go. It's very lightweight. Let me see. I think it's lighter than the Steam Deck. Hold on. Let me just move some junk out of the way. Oh, it's much lighter than the Steam Deck. Hey guys, fight it out. It's much smaller and much lighter, yet much more powerful than this guy, who I do still love. But I'm sorry, Steam or Valve. I am always been an Asus guy. Put you back in your dock. Let's see. I'll turn it on at least. But just first initial impressions are, will it turn on? It will not. Okay. Apparently it doesn't come charged at all because it didn't turn on, didn't do anything. This is definitely very lightweight. I like the buttons in the back. Much easier, I think, to press than the ones in the back of the Steam Deck, which are kind of like at an odd angle. It's hard to... First of all, when I first got the Steam Deck, I didn't know which side of that button on the back you're supposed to hit, because it's like, it extends from here, and then it goes this way, and it kind of goes up. It's like rounded. So I never knew if you're supposed to hit this part back here, or this part over here. But this has only got one way to do it. I like that. I am kind of annoyed, though, that it's not turning on. Like, you couldn't send this thing to me with any kind of charge. It's got to be, it's got to be plugged in first. I don't know. But, here you go again. I'll put a couple close-up shots of this at the end of the video. I definitely like this. And again, it is very, very lightweight. It feels better. It's more comfortable in my hand than the Steam Deck. It just feels better. It feels. I mean, it is smaller, so it just feels more compact. I don't know. I like this a lot. Um, I'm definitely looking forward to getting this some power and then trying it first. I mean, that's the only thing. My Steam Deck turned on right out of the box. This guy, nothing. Still holding the power button down. I get nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a couple days. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna give this a couple days, maybe a week. Mess around with it for a bit, and then I will come back with um, another video about what I think. Initial impressions, first impressions after 1 week, something like that. But so far, right out of the box, I am already a big fan. Other than the battery thing, which again is, I don't know if that's a personal preference thing, but it's annoying. I mean, even my iPhone comes with a charged battery. So I'm gonna check this out. I do wish on the top there was some kind of cover for this port with the USB-C and the external GPU external GPU plug, which is right there. So that's what that is. The one side is the USB-C. Right here is for the external GPU. I wish there was some kind of cover for this port. Plastic cover. I did see somebody 3D print one with a slot for the USB-C, which is really cool. Um, I mean, I feel like that's just two open bare ports that can, when they're not in use for charging or for the GPU slot, that you can just get dust and dirt right in them. Much easier, much more susceptible to water damage, I would assume. But again, I like this a lot. This just feels really good. It's less bulky. So not only is it smaller, but it's, I think, thinner than the Steam Deck, and it's much less bulky. I like this. I'm a big fan already. Anyway, I will let you go. I know you're probably bored of seeing me play around with this thing. I'm going to charge this up a little bit, play it for a few days. I will let you know what happens, and I will come back with another video. I will probably not forget this time. So guys, please check me out on all forms of social media at JoeyImageTV. You can send me all your hate mail, joeyimage@gmail.com. And that will do it. So, again, I'll put a couple of close-up pictures at the end of this video. But, guys, I wish you all the best in all your future... Oh, I almost said Steam Deck. I wish you all the best in all your future ROG Ally endeavors. Alright, we're back with one more quick thing. The ROG Ally does come with this thick, heavy printed cardboard which is supposed to be a stand. So it sits on your desk or whatever, and then it sits in it that way. Kind of, I don't know, kind of cool, I guess, if you want to stand it up like that without an actual like dock. Again, I'm gonna try the Steam Deck dock, but I'll put a picture of this at the end also. Thanks a lot, guys, and once again, take care. Follow me on all social media at JoeyImageTV. Thank you.